Greetings and welcome to Smart Counsel for Lunch. I'm attorney Abigail Poole at the law firm of Samuel, Sayward, and Baylor in Dedham, Massachusetts. We concentrate our practice in the areas of estate planning, elder law, probate, and trust administration. Today I want to talk to you about a great question submitted by one of our clients. And that question is, how do I name a new trustee in my trust? And who should I name as a trustee in my trust? So to address that first question, there are a couple of ways that you can change who you have named in your trust as your trustee. So the first way is called an amendment to your trust. An amendment is simply making typically a small change to perhaps one or two provisions in your trust. So that's option number one. Option number two is doing what's called a restatement of your trust. And a restatement of your trust is updating your trust in its entirety. And typically that is the best option available when you are not only making a small change to one or two provisions, such as the trustee provisions, but maybe you also want to update the distribution provisions in your trust. And also maybe there's been updates or changes to the law from the last time that you updated your trust. So a restatement is really a good tool to use when there's major changes to multiple parts of your trust that need to be completed. So that brings us to the next question, which is, who should I name as my new trustee? There are a variety of options out there as well. So first, you can name a trustee who is an individual, so somebody such as a family member or a friend. You could also name a professional, such as an attorney or an accountant. Or you can name a corporate fiduciary, such as a bank or a trust company. So it's very important for you to work with and communicate with your estate planning attorney when trying to decide who you want to name as your trustee. And the reason is that there are a variety of factors that need to be considered when thinking about who you want to name as your trustee. For example, you want to think about what the requirements will be of that trustee after you pass away in handling your estate. And you also want to think about what skills they're bringing to the table or what skills they need to bring to the table in order to fulfill those requirements. And that's among many other factors that should be considered. So it's really important to have that discussion with your estate planning attorney so they can educate you on what some of these factors are and help you make an informed decision with regard to who should serve as your trustee. So if you'd like any more information on this topic or any others with regard to estate planning, probate, elder law, or trust administration, please visit our website. Or you can certainly contact our office to schedule a consultation with one of our attorneys if you are a Massachusetts resident or you are helping a family member or friend with one of these matters who is also a Massachusetts resident. Until next time, take care.